Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening a new canvas and getting your layers organized so clipping works predictably. Create a base layer for color and a separate layer above it that will be clipped. This keeps edges clean. Once done, convert the target into a folder or leave it as a raster layer depending on whether you need multiple sublayers. Make sure layer opacity and blend mode are normal to avoid surprises, because clipping inherits those properties and determines how your color interacts with the base. Now you apply the clipping control and begin painting within bounds. Select the layer you want clipped and choose Clip to Layer below. If you used a folder, set the folder to clip its contents. You paint freely on the clipped layer while the base layer defines visible limits, so use low opacity brushes for gradual shading and switch to a harder brush for crisp edges. Also consider locking transparency or adding layer masks to protect areas and refine your shapes without altering the base layer. Finish by refining edges and preparing the file for export or further edits. You can merge visible layers if you need a flattened image or keep clipped groups intact to retain editability. Export as PNG or PSD to maintain transparency and layers respectively. Use selection, feathering, and subtle Gaussian blur to clean hard edges. If clipping doesn't work, make sure the clipped layer is above the base, that it's properly set to clip, and that no layer locks or unusual blend modes are preventing visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.